Assalamu alaikum. We will continue with laboratory exercise 3 in Microsoft Excel. The last point uh, we reached was about how to connect two sheets together and compute the total cells. We compute the total cells in E6 in total cells sheet, and we got the total amount of the medicine from both branch Sohar and Muscat. And we reach question number 13. Now, the last thing we compute was the total cell. We compute the total cell from both branch, Muscat branch and Sohar branch. We link the two sheets together, and then we compute the formula. Now we will continue with the question number 13. Enter the following data to cell F4 ratio, G4 total rate, H4 difference rate. Now select the total cell sheet and there insert in F4 the text ratio and G4 total rate. And in H4 difference rate. Now question number 14. Apply all border using double line style and color blue accent 1 darker 50% to cells A4 through H11. Now select the range of cells A4 up to H11 and then right mouse click, select format cells. From borders, select double line and the color, select any color of not any color, sorry, the color of blue accent 1 darker 50%. And the border should be outside inside. All border means outside inside, and then click OK. Now question number 15. In cell G4 and H4, change alignment format to wrap text. Select cell G4, H4, and then select wrap text. Question number 16. Compute the ratio in cell F6. While ratio is the total amount from Muscat branch divided by the total amount from Sohar branch. Now to compute the ratio, put the cursor on F6. We will compute the ratio by linking the two sheets together, Sohar and Muscat. So press on Control key and then press on Muscat sheet, then press on Sohar sheet to link them together. And now select the formula bar, write equal. Click on Muscat sheet and select the total amount F8. Then type the division sign and click on Sohar sheet and select F8. So the ratio will be from Muscat sheet F8 divided by from Sohar sheet F8, while F8 is the total amount of the medicine Panadol. Now press enter. We have the ratio for the medicine Panadol. Remove the linking between the two sheets by pressing on Control key and then click on Muscat sheet, click on Sohar sheet to remove the linking. Now to copy the formula, we drag the mouse down in order to copy the formula for other medicine. We finished question number 6. Now go to question number 17. Format the ratio and percentage style with 2 decimal places. Select the ratio range, which is data range here from F6 up to F11. Then right mouse click, select format cells. Select number category and then select percentage with 2 decimal places. The decimal places should be 2. Now press OK. Question number 18. Compute the total rate in cell G6. The total rate needs if statement. So to compute the total rate, we need to do the following. If the total cell in E6 is greater than or equal to 20, then the total rate will display high. Otherwise, if the cells is less than 20, then the total rate will display low. So the equation will be like that. If the total cell, which is the value in E6, is greater than or equal to 20, then we will put the word high. Otherwise, we will type the word low. And then we need to copy the formula for other cells. Now we need to compute the total rate for the first medicine. Click on G6 to compute the total rate for Panadol. In order to compute the total rate for Panadol, we will select function if from insert function and then select if function. If function needs three type of data. First one is the logical text. Second one is the value if the test is true. And the third one is the value if the test is false. The logical test is we will check on E6, which is the total cells, the value of E6. So if the value of E6 is greater than or equal 20, if this logical test is true, we need to type high. Otherwise, that means if the value is false, we need to type low. Now press OK. Of course, the total cells of the Panadol is 34. That means it's greater than 20. So the value was high here. To copy the formula for other medicine, we can see that we have also high for betadine, but low for Vermox. Why? Because the total cells of Vermox is less than 20. Now question number 19. Compute the difference rate in cell H6 in this way. The difference rate is the difference or the subtraction of total amount F8 in Muscat branch and the total amount F8 in Sohar branch. We will check the difference of total amount F8 in Muscat branch with the total amount F8 in Sohar branch. And if the difference is greater than 0, then we will put up. Otherwise, we will write down. So put the cursor in difference rate and we need to link the two sheets, Muscat and Sohar, together. Select the insert function and then select if function. Here we need to check the difference from Muscat sheet, the total cell, minus from Sohar sheet, the total cell. If the difference was greater than 0, then write here up. Otherwise, write down. And then press OK. Now click on Control key to remove the linking and press the mouse on cell H6. Drag the mouse down to copy the formula. Now we finished computing the difference rate. Save the worksheet as formula results, and this should be the end of exercise 3. Click on File tab and then select Save As on the desktop. Save it as formula results, and then click Save and close the Excel sheet.